I'm going to show you how to remap the keys on your charachorder, but this is actually not the official way of doing it. John Discern Germain already made a video of how to remap your keys. I would go and check that out. The reason why this is not the official way is because the tool that we're going to be using is not associated with charachorder whatsoever, but the guy who built it, he's a really smart dude, his name's Gecko on Discord, is that he built this tool. He's a charachorder 1 user as well. I'm going to show you how to use it. Let's go. Okay, so first what we're going to do is we're going to go to charachorder-config.com, and you're going to connect your device, and then you're going to choose your device, hit connect, and then you're going to get this page right here. So I'm going to give you an example of what we're going to do. So this key right here, it's a left mouse click, and I want to change this to an X. So I'm going to click that, and I'm going to choose X right here. And then all I have to do is commit. The reason why I chose this, by the way, is so that I can use Control X on the left side of my charachorder. All right, once that's committed, if I test this out, let's open Notepad. And then if I test it out, see, it's typing X. So I can do Control X, Control V on this control. So yeah, this is how you remap these keys. Go ahead and play around with this. And yeah, if you have any questions, let me know, and I'll see you next time.